Hey, have you ever been wanted to drive your car either early in the morning or even from the office and the vehicle does not start? That can be a very traumatizing or very problem being that you left the vehicle overnight and it was okay. But now you've come to drive your vehicle, you want to either rush somewhere and the vehicle does not start. So also I'll just give you brief ideas on where to start. First of all, try to press your horn. Try to press your horn, and if your horn does not either produce the sound, check your battery. Or even more so, before even rushing to the on horn, when you're putting your vehicle to the on position, does it bring lights? If the lights are not there, pop up your trunk and also do what? Open the hood and check your battery terminal. If one is loose, but the horn method is used to identify also, is the battery low or is the terminal not connected properly. So if the horn is producing a very weak sound, do what? Jump start. And if your starter is turning but also you're not doing what, the vehicle is not starting, check for fuel level. Many of us sometimes we drive vehicles with a light, but also we say that I know my car, ama in Kenyan Swahili we say najua gari yangu. Then you find that you parked either the over a certain slope and the fuel went to one side, and when you're trying to crank, the engine does not start. So after checking on fuel or even the battery and it does not still crank, or even after jump starting, ensure those both two things are the common faults of your vehicle not starting: your battery and what, and fuel. Ensure to check those two. Thank you.